To add the Tron Mainnet to Metamask, start by opening the Metamask extension in your browser. Click on the Metamask icon. Then click on the Add Network button. In the Add Network window, you will need to enter the details of the Tron Mainnet manually. The network name is Tron. The RPC URL is https://api.trongrid.io. The chain ID is 91. The symbol is TRX. And the block explorer URL is https://tronscan.org. Enter these details carefully and make sure they are correct, as incorrect details may prevent you from accessing the Tron Mainnet. Once you have entered all the details, click the Save button to add the Tron Mainnet to your Metamask wallet. After adding the Tron Mainnet, you will be able to see it in the list of available networks in your Metamask wallet. To switch to the Tron Mainnet, simply click on the Tron network from the list. You can then use your Metamask wallet to interact with the Tron blockchain, including sending and receiving TRX and other Tron-based tokens. It is also important to note that you should only add networks from trusted sources, as adding untrusted networks may put your funds at risk. Always verify the details of any network before adding it to your Metamask wallet. By following these steps, you can easily add the Tron Mainnet to your Metamask wallet and start using it to interact with the Tron blockchain.